Most teenagers are broke just because they are not lazy. It's because nobody ever taught them how the money works. And in this video, I will teach you that how to make $1 million. And making $1 million doesn't need a fancy degree or rich parents. It just need a right mindset and moves. So, future millionaires, welcome to Mastering Money. In the channel, I will teach you how to make your first $1 million as a teenager. So, I'm going to give you full step-by-step guide. No fluff, no false promises. Just real strategies that have made thousands of teens financially free. So, for step 1, you need to build millionaire habits. And you may wonder what millionaire habits is. It is basically building discipline. Every billionaire have habits that make them rich. It can be wake up and read 10 pages every day, track your expenses, build a morning, and also you can have a routine. And most importantly, stop wasting 5 hours a day on scrolling Netflix or basically any social media app. It is just pure waste of time. And I'm not telling you to stop looking on social media. First of all, if you are watching social media, literally just watch like important stuff that can give you or make your life better, not just stupid. Yeah, okay, yeah, you can watch it for some few time, or it can be like 1 hour or 2 hour, but like don't spend your entire day scrolling on social media. It's just a waste of time. So for step 2, you need to learn a high income skill. And you may wonder like why we need to learn that, or like what it can be. Like the skills can pay your bills. Always remember that. You are not young to start. You can literally learn copywriting, coding, design, or social media marketing. It is one of the most important or efficient ways in this couple of years that most of the people are making money because of this. So literally you can learn this on free. You can literally learn this free on like YouTube or any other platforms. So just do that. These skills can basically or easily make you around 10,000 to $100,000. And it's not a joke. It seriously it can. So for step 3, you need to start a side hustle. And I'm literally saying this, you need to start a side hustle. Like even it doesn't matter, like even you are in school, college, or anywhere else, like maybe like some teens do their job, but you need to have a side hustle. Side hustle is different from a job. Side hustle can literally like it's basically your free time, like you are trying to earn from your free time. Like you can literally use your skills to make cash. And it is like one of the most important thing. Like you can literally start freelancing. You can start a like a social media channel or something. You can literally sell products digitally, or you can build audience in Instagram, TikTok. That you need always remember, when you build something once, it remains with you forever. So make sure to do that. Then this is one of the most important point. Make sure to focus on this. You just need to save and invest, and this you need to do aggressively. You just don't just earn, you need to invest. Those earning doesn't matter if you will not do investing. So put your money into assets that will grow, not in stupid thing. Like you need to like you can literally use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or index funds. Even literally you can put like $5 a day, and that can grow into hundred of dollars, while others are flexing fake wealth. Always remember, fake wealth. You can literally build a real wealth. So make sure, like, you are the smart one. Basically, you need to like what you want to earn, fake wealth or real wealth. So the answer is with you. Then for step 5, you need to reinvent yourself every year. Always remember that millionaire teens don't stay the same. They always evolve. And it's life. You need to evolve if you need to grow. If you don't evolve, you will die or you will become literally poor. So make sure to evolve, learn faster, think bigger. Think bigger basically means that you need to manifest things. Don't have a poor mindset or don't think that, oh yeah, nothing will gonna happen, I will stay this forever. No, that's a poor and cheap mindset. So make sure to avoid those mindset or those people who basically have this cheap mindset. You need to surround yourself with winners, not whiners. If you surround yourself with winners, you will become a winner. And now. So basically, you can read books, take online courses, or you can literally learn from your mentors, even from YouTube, and it's basically free, like including my video. You are learning only. So, my final thoughts and call to action will be that you don't need to wait around your 30s to become a millionaire. Like basically, like start at 12, 13, 14, 15, anything like, bro. Even 18. Like, what's stopping you, man? Like, literally, like, what's stopping you to become rich? Like, you need to take action now. And always remember, like, your 20s are basically the legendary time of your life. It is like the best time to get rich. Because in your 30s, like, you will be, your life will basically get busier and busier. Some of you will have kids or some of you will have many responsibilities, but in your teen you never have these things. So basically, you need to start earlier. The earlier you start, the richer you becomes. So make sure to do that. Thank you for watching my video, guys. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and tell me, like, is this video makes you richer? Like, maybe you can comment in like future, like set a goal. You need to comment on this video after 1 year, so make sure to save it.